Imagine killing your own kids. Sounds brutal, right? But birds in the wild have to make this heartbreaking decision for survival. This process is called brood reduction. But why do they do it? You see, when food is scarce, parents can't provide for all their chicks, so they focus on the strongest ones. Therefore, the weaker chicks are left to die, ensuring the survival of at least a few. Some birds take it even further, like eagles. The older chick often bullies the younger one, pushing it out of the nest. But this isn't random cruelty. It's nature's way of prioritizing resources for the fittest.